Hello, welcome to my website. This particular site is a website front end and an application management system back end. On the front you can see it has half a dozen pages designed to sell your policies, culture, interest and help you get elected. The pages cover a lot of your beliefs and the position you hold in where you want to go. It also includes a how to vote. You can download the PDF and take it with you to the polling booth. The feedback includes many areas that are happening at the moment in your electorate and show small stories where people can make comments and distribute their opinion. It also has a forum where you can ask questions provided you're logged in. You have to be a member, where you can make the question public and ask whatever you like. You can also like different stories and you can push your comments. It holds a donation page where you can legally operate within the boundaries of the New South Wales government in this case and donate towards your donor or party. It brings a number to the top and it allows you to follow through, create a receipt, complete and follow through to a party responsible for claiming the money. This website also lets you go into the back end, check on your contributions, hold a record, let you cancel different ones, and if you want to volunteer you can go to the next level. The basic dashboard allows for fortnightly emails on what's happening in your area. If you become a volunteer, you can follow through. The first page gives you 6 decisions. You may be able to help with being a scrum leader or a employee, assist with letterbox drops, pre-polling, canvassing, door-to-door, phone telemarketing, or polling, assist on the polling booth. Once you find those, your details come here. You get a personal thank you. You get to see on polling day where the venues will be organised earlier. You get to decide what leadership qualities you may have that you hope to share. It may not be applicable. You may have a particular area that you want to cover for the candidate. Signage is simple. Add a sign. This particular client already has 5 signs. They may have property where they can offer more. For example, a nearby town. You may live on a corner. If you're effective, add a sign, create, give assistance and go from there. You can also create a map. It automatically creates a map of the signs you have offered. To go even further, it goes to mailbox drops. Your electorate has been divided into zones, healthy enough to be able to assist with mailbox drops. If you can assist, you'll receive an area of the electorate and simply tick that you can help in that area. You get to see the areas you've offered and you can cancel if trouble permits or problems arise. Canvassing is a simple task, picking which you may be able to help with and the area that it may involve. Pre-polling is a simple timetable chart where if you were to elect maybe Wednesday, you could apply Wednesday. You can do 10 till 2 o'clock maybe. Update. You also can delete, rearrange. Polling day, I've already nominated, but I can edit. You can scrutineer if you want to scrutineer. You can offer to do the lunchtime, the afternoon, or the morning. And you can offer it at any vicinity. That's about it for the average volunteer to help out, to do all that they can to assist. If you've been upgraded to the corporate level, a button appears in your personal part of the app. To click that, you go into the corporate area. It involves all the members that have nominated, and a button appears for each subject they may have to volunteer for. For example, polling day, pre-polling, canvassing, sign operation. Back to the list. This covers all of the areas of each individual. To understand them in bulk, we go to this area. There's 4 pages in this particular one for the signage. You can edit somebody's sign or you can delete it. There's a map of all the signs ready for the delivery day. And they've all been nominated and itemised, ready to operate. The distribution for the mail groups the individuals that are nominated over a few pages. They can create a team and follow through. To make a team, they simply come here and make a team. Pick a leader after you find those that have nominated and the area that they want to lead their team. To add members, you simply add team members from the database here. Follow the profile, adding members, editing members, you get to see your team. Here we find all the teams we have so far, divided up, and they're easy to come across. A team can be deleted, a team can be enhanced. Then we go to canvassing. These are the members that have offered to do most canvassing jobs and the areas that they can do. Those guys can be put into teams and follow through with their offering. Here we have the timetable for pre-poll from Saturday through to Friday. The members and the hours they have nominated are assigned on the list. If you need to make adjustments to cover areas that have not been covered, you simply do it here, adjust or delete somebody who has problem arriving. From there you can fix your pre-polling table. Polling day very similar. We have two tables because there are a large amount of polling booths in this particular electorate. We also can nominate one by one and find out who's where and how many people are at the particular polling booth. We can edit them, change their hours and make it work. Here we have all the members that have nominated to do polling day. If you've been promoted to administrator level, a button appears on your personal website. To follow the administrator level, we get to see all members. We also follow through with roles on the website. You can create a new role. To date, we have administrator, employee and member. Delegation also covers all the members. If you want to change a role and put somebody else higher or lower, it's done here. If you want to give them a claim to go to different areas of the website, that's also done here. If you want to make a change to their membership, or the ideology, it's done here. If you have a problem with a volunteer, they can be locked out or further deleted. The party platform is simply a CRUD operation. Create, read, update, delete. All of these formats are here, as they are with other parts. We have some personal code here to create an active rejoin the website if there is a problem with security. Back to the media, we can create a blog. We have 3 already. They can be edited, so as to simply add a photo, change the tags that Google may look for, or delete. The media includes a CRUD operation for tags, likes and dislikes, and the similar goes for the forum, where you can ask your own questions. Donations are done here. Funding is the rules required within New South Wales government in this stage, at this level. Impacts are the type of donations you may make. Managing donations can be done from here. If you have a complaint or an altercation, they may be cancelled here. Anything may come from here. The basic impacts are beyond. Contributions, we've seen them earlier. Tools, we have a locations table with CRUD operations that simply shows an insurance that volunteers live within their delegated area. We have a local area for the electorate in which we're in, depending on your electorate. These are simple CRUD operations. The venues, the wards, all may be edited. Support, category, purpose. And then the functionality of the website at front. Thank you for your interest.